Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Syncwire case for the iPhone 13 Pro. This is specifically for the 13 Pro version. This is a black, slim fit case. It has a scratch-resistant shell. It is impact cushion technology on the corners, as you'll see, and it is compatible for wireless charging through the case. So let's open it up and take a look at the case and everything that comes in it. All right, so this is the case. Now you do get a nice little microfiber cleaning cloth and wet wipes so that you can make sure your phone is nice and clean and dust-free before you put the case on there. So that's kind of cool that they include that. And then let's open up the case. Now this is a nice, soft TPU thin black case. Looking at this finish, that's very cool. It's got like sort of a matte finish, so it's going to be very, very fingerprint resistant, but also nice and grippy. And you can see it keeps that matte finish on the sides, but then has a gloss finish around the buttons and then just around the border on the top. So nice look there. Yeah, very beautiful, very cool look to it. Looking on the inside, it's got that grid pattern on the inside. Hold your phone nice and tight. You've got just a slight bit of a lip. See if you can see that. It's hard with the black to see it, but there's a little bit of a lip there that goes all the way around the front. So that's going to help protect your screen. If you lay your phone down flat, that little lip's going to be just raised just ever so slightly to protect your phone screen, which is nice. You do have the cover for the volume rockers over here, and then the cutout for the vibration switch. And then on the other side, you've got a cover for the power button. And again, you can see that the button itself is a matte finish, and then around it is a glossy finish. So kind of a cool look. You get that on both sides. And then looking down here at the bottom, you do have all the cutouts you need for the lightning charging port as well as for your speakers. Very simple case, but very well made. Seems to be really high quality. You do also have, you can't really see it in this case as much as you can the clear cases, but inside of these corners there's a little bit of an air cushion in there that is going to help protect your phone from falls. If it happens to hit on the corner, there is just a tiny little air cushion in there to help with that. And then also there is a little bit of a lip around that camera bump. Obviously the camera bump is definitely one of those things you want to protect. And there's see that lip that goes around there to help protect your camera. So a very well made case by Syncwire. Great look. Love that matte finish look, which really you're not going to get fingerprints. You can see I'm touching it all over the place and you can't see anything because of that nice matte finish. So that's going to be very fingerprint resistant. Very slim case, but protective. It's going to protect the sides and the back, and then you've got those corner cushions to protect the corners, and then the raised lip on the front and around the camera bump to protect those surfaces as well. So a really excellent case by Syncwire. If you're looking for a good case for your iPhone 13 Pro, then this is definitely one that I would recommend.